Kia Sportage, fuse, relay panel description, driver's side fuse panel, inner panel fuse replacement. Inside the fuse, relay panel covers, you can find the fuse, relay label describing fuse, relay name and capacity. Notice, not all fuse panel descriptions in this manual may be applicable to your vehicle. It is accurate at the time of printing. When you inspect the fuse panel in your vehicle, refer to the fuse panel label. Instrument panel, driver's side fuse panel. Inner panel fuse replacement. 1. Turn the ignition switch and all other switches off. 2. Open the fuse panel cover. If the switch is located in the off position, a caution indicator will be displayed in the cluster. Caution: when replacing a blown fuse or relay, make sure the new fuse or relay fits tightly into the clips. Failure to tightly install the fuse or relay may cause damage to the wiring and electric systems. Do not remove fuses, relays and terminals fastened with bolts or nuts. The fuses, relays and terminals may not be fastened correctly, which may cause vehicle damage. 3. Pull the suspected fuse straight out. Use the removal tool provided on the engine compartment fuse panel cover. 4. Check the removed fuse. Replace it if it is blown. Spare fuses are provided in the engine compartment fuse panel. 5. Push in a new fuse of the same rating, and make sure it fits tightly in the clips. If it fits loosely, consult an authorized Kia dealer. If you do not have a spare, use a fuse of the same rating from a circuit you may not need for operating the vehicle, such as the power outlet fuse. If the headlamp, turn signal lamp, stop signal lamp, fog lamp, DRL, tail lamp, HMSL do not work and the fuses are okay, check the fuse panel in the engine compartment. If a fuse is blown, it must be replaced. Notice, if the headlamp, fog lamp, turn signal lamp, or tail lamp malfunction even without any problem to the lamps, have the vehicle checked by an authorized Kia dealer for assistance. Caution: fuse panel covers. Set all switches to on before driving. If the vehicle is going to be unused for over 1 month, set all switches to off to prevent the batteries from draining. The contact points of the switches may wear out with excessive use. Please refrain from excessive use of the switches, except for long-term parking for over 1 month. Fuse switch. Always set the fuse switch to the on position before using the vehicle. If you move the switch to the off position, some items such as audio and digital clock must be reset and transmitter, or smart key, may not work properly. When the switch is off, the caution indicator will be displayed on the instrument cluster. Always place the fuse switch in the on position while driving the vehicle. If the switch is located in the off position, a caution indicator will be displayed in the cluster. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.